glorious day. Downing Street rebuilt. The cabinet in session. Let the work of government begin. Oh, go on, crack a smile. It's funny, isn't it? Albert, funny? No? Little bit?
Yeah, very funny, sir. But if we could get down to business, there is the matter of policy, of which we have very little.
No. Before we start all that, I just want to say thank you. Thank you. One and all. You ugly, fat-faced bunch of wet, sniveling traitors.
Yes, quite. Very funny. But I think...
No, that wasn't funny. You see, I'm not making myself very clear. Funny is like this. Not funny is like this. And right now, I'm like, because you are traitors. Yes, you are! As soon as you saw the vote swinging my way, you abandoned your parties and you jumped on the Saxon bandwagon. So, this is your reward.
Excuse me, Prime Minister, do you mind my asking, what is that?
A gas mask.
I beg your pardon?
It's a gas mask.
Yes, but, why are you wearing it?
Oh, because of the gas.
I'm sorry?
Because of the gas.
What gas?
This gas.
You're insane!